show that the general solution of this differential equation dy by dx plus y square plus y plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 is given by x plus y plus 1 equal to a times 1 minus x minus y minus 2xy, where a is a parameter. Almost it's a constant, a. Let us try to prove that solution. Given dy by dx plus y square plus y plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So if you take this whole thing to this side, you get dy by dx equal to minus of y square plus y plus 1 whole divided by x square plus x plus 1. This one you will get. And the next, we have to do the variables separable. dy y terms and dx x terms. dy absorbs y terms, dx absorbs x terms. A divided by this, dy divided by y square plus y plus 1 equal to minus of this dx goes here, dx by x square plus x plus 1 to here. So next, dy by y square plus y plus 1 I am writing as y plus half whole square plus 3 by 4 because this is a quadratic equation. We have to write like this to integrate later on. Later on we have to integrate on this side and this side. For that purpose I am writing y square plus y plus 1 as this. Y plus half whole square plus 3 by 4. Similarly this side, minus dx divided by x plus half whole square plus 3 by 4. How do you like it? Now, integrate on both sides. Then you will get integration of dy by y plus half whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. This 3 by 4 is written as root 3 by 2 whole square plus integration of, there should be integration sign here. Integration of minus dx by x plus half whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. So we are now using this formula. Which formula? Integration of dx by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This formula we apply here. So this, instead of a, we have root 3 by 2. 1 by a, 2 by root 3, tan inverse this by this, y plus half by root 3 by 2, equal to, similarly this side, minus of 2 by root 3, 1 by a, tan inverse x plus half by root 3 by 2 plus some constant. Okay? Now, this whole thing implies this gets cancelled, tan inverse 2y plus 1, 2y plus 1 by 2, this 2 gets cancelled. 2y plus 1 by root 3, finally you are going to get this one. Because y plus 2y plus 1 by 2 times 2 by root 3. What does it become? This 2y plus 1 by root 3. This only you will get equal to minus tan inverse 2x plus 1 by root 3 this side plus c. We come up to here, right? Now, next step. Tan inverse 2y plus 1 by root 3. I am getting this minus tan to this side plus tan inverse 2x plus 1 by root 3 equal to c. Now we know that tan inverse a plus tan inverse b equal to tan inverse a plus b by 1 minus ab. This is trigonometric formula. We are applying this here. So tan inverse a plus tan inverse B is tan inverse this plus this plus this by 1 minus this into this. That is equal to C. Here root 3 is common. So we get numerator 2y plus 2x, 2y plus 2x plus 2 by root 3, and denominator 1 minus AB. You multiply these two, this one and this one. You get this 4xy plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 by 3, which is equal to C again. Now tan inverse 2 times x plus y plus 1, 2, that comes so common outside. 2 times x plus y plus 1 by root 3 divided by, oh my God, multiplied by 3 minus 4xy plus 2x plus 2, this will be in denominator because this division has become multiplication. This inverts. This becomes inverse. So 3 by 3 minus this equal to C. So this is 3, this is 2, this is root 3, 2 root 3. 2 root 3 times x plus y plus 1 by this. What it becomes? 3 minus of 1 is 2. 2 minus 4xy minus 2x minus 2y equal to C. We are almost there. Root 3 times x plus y plus 1 by 1 minus 2xy minus x minus y. What happened here? This 2 and this 2 becomes 1, this 4 becomes 2, this 2 becomes 1, this 2 becomes 1. 1 minus 2xy minus x minus y equal to C. Finally, this I am going to keep on one side. This is like this. So this whole thing equal to C times 1 minus 2xy minus x minus y by root 3. C by root 3. This C by root 3 we can take as A. Take C by root 3 as some A parameter. So x plus y plus 1 equal to A times 1 minus 2x minus x minus y. Proved. So I will be giving you such a lot of examples in future. So please subscribe, like, press the bell button, and thank you for watching.